gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Summer has a special vibe. The scent of flowers, graduation memories, spontaneous trips, and those unforgettable moments with friends. It's the season you want to capture perfectly. And for that, you need a phone that can keep up. That's exactly where the OPPO Reno 16 Pro shines.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
First, let's talk about the design, especially this stunning heartbeat color. It grabs attention instantly. OPPO's industry-first 3D ice-clear floating finish creates a galaxy-like effect beneath the surface, almost like a floating planet in your hand. As light moves across it, the look keeps changing. Honestly, it looks even better in person than on camera. The camera module blends seamlessly into the back panel with a cool-toned finish. It feels smooth, resists fingerprints well, and delivers a true flagship feel. The Reno 16 series comes in two versions. The Pro features a 6.78-inch ultra-narrow symmetrical flat display with incredibly slim bezels. Despite the large screen, it's just 7.70 millimeters thin and weighs only 205 grams, making it comfortable for photos, videos, and gaming. Once the display lights up, those 1.15 millimeter bezels make the screen look stunning. There's also a standard version with a 6.32-inch display and a lighter 188-gram body, which is perfect for one-handed use, whether you're texting or taking selfies. If you prefer compact phones, this one is easy to love. Both models also come with IP69K water resistance for extra peace of mind. Now for the real highlight, the cameras. Whether you're shooting graduation photos, travel memories, or summer landscapes, the OPPO Reno 16 Pro is ready. It packs 4 cameras, a 20-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel Periscope telephoto, 50-megapixel ultrawide, and 50-megapixel selfie camera. The 20-megapixel main camera uses a large 1.56-inch sensor with an f1.8 aperture. It captures impressive detail, from flower petals to building textures. Even after zooming in or cropping, photos stay sharp and clear. The 3.5x portrait zoom is another standout. It creates natural background separation, giving portraits a more cinematic and professional look. Best of all, photos already look polished straight from the camera. But the feature that truly steals the show is live portrait mode. OPPO's new natural tone engine makes a huge difference. Whether you're under bright sunlight or challenging backlight, photos remain bright, balanced, and natural. Skin tones look realistic and nothing feels overprocessed. Even more impressive, the preview, final photo, and video stay remarkably consistent in color, exposure, and framing. Every shot feels ready to share instantly. Just capture the moment, choose your favorite frame, and post. And if you enjoy getting creative, things get even more interesting. The Reno 16 introduces an industry-first creative live portrait experience that's surprisingly addictive. Simply take a photo, select a live portrait scene, and remove the background with a tap. The phone can instantly recognize people, pets, or food. Then customize it however you like with stickers, doodles, outlines, text, and more. Save it, and you've created your own animated live portrait, a fun way to turn memories into something unique. There's also Insta film mode for fans of vintage photography. It automatically adds film-style borders and delivers that classic instant camera look. The results feel very similar to Fujifilm instant prints, packed with retro charm. And thanks to CGD flash and flowing film effects, portraits, food photos, and everyday shots all get their own personality. Every press of the shutter brings a slightly different result, making photography with the Reno 16 feel fresh, fun, and surprisingly exciting every time.
The viral live collage feature that other brands have been trying to copy is back, and it's better than ever. Now it supports up to 9 photos in a larger layout, giving you more creative freedom.
The coolest part? Subjects can break out of the frame both horizontally and vertically, making every collage feel more dynamic and eye-catching. It's incredibly easy to create content that looks stylish, shareable, and ready to grab attention. And just when you think the Reno 16 can't get any better for selfies and travel photography, OPPO adds another surprise. Meet the new OPPO Bubble Trendy Selfie screen, or the little O screen. At just 7mm thin, it features a 58mm circular touchscreen that feels like a mini second display for your phone. And it's far more than just a cool accessory. You can fully customize it with your own wallpapers. Simply open the little O screen card, tap Custom Wallpaper, and choose photos, live images, or videos from your gallery. Videos can be trimmed to 1 to 5 second clips, and the screen can store up to 30 sets of content. It even supports mixed playback, making every glance feel fresh and interactive. One feature you'll love is the magnetic attachment system. It snaps directly onto the back of the Reno 16, letting you use the rear cameras for high-quality selfies. It also works remotely from up to 10 meters away. The Lives preview appears right on the little O screen, making framing effortless. Switch focal lengths with a tap and capture photos instantly using the side button. No awkward adjustments needed. For solo travelers, it's a game changer for both portraits and landscapes. And when attached to the protective case, it doubles as a stylish fashion accessory. Practical, fun, and definitely eye-catching. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro is also built for live streaming, and this is where things get really interesting. First, stabilization is outstanding. It uses an industry-first large sensor micro-gimbal main camera with up to plus-minus 4.9-degree ultra-wide stabilization. Whether you're walking, running, or moving around outdoors, your footage stays impressively smooth. Image quality is equally strong. Faces look natural, skin tones appear realistic, and makeup details stay clean and clear. Even fine hair strands remain visible without looking overly processed, giving live streams a more professional and authentic look. Performance is designed for long streaming sessions, too. The Flagship Dimensity 9500S processor, combined with the Tide engine, keeps live streams smooth and stable. The massive 7,000 mAh battery supports up to 6 hours of continuous streaming. Even better, it can charge while streaming with minimal heat, so you can keep going without worrying about battery health or overheating. Audio is another strong point. The triple microphone intelligent noise reduction system cuts background noise while keeping voices crystal clear. Even with an external microphone connected, voice quality remains excellent. In many cases, it feels better than carrying a dedicated live stream setup. Compared to the previous generation, there's also one major new upgrade, the AI button on the left side. And it's surprisingly useful. You can customize it for quick actions like turning on the flash instantly while shooting. It can also help identify or search objects from images, and with a simple long press, it's always ready whenever you need it. So what's the final verdict? The OPPO Reno 16 Pro feels like a true all-in-one companion for young users. It combines stylish design, powerful cameras, creative photography tools, and advanced live streaming features into one package. Whether you're capturing graduation memories, summer adventures, portraits, or everyday moments, this phone feels ready for every experience.